Santa Clara County authorities say they made one of the biggest fentanyl seizures ever in a San Jose home, and it was found under a baby's crib. 13 pounds of the deadly drug. Authorities say they raided the home yesterday and found the 25,000 fentanyl pills in a backpack under the crib. Officers say they also found marijuana just a few feet from the baby's playpen. And they say they found cocaine next to the baby's formula in the kitchen. The parents were arrested on several charges. Health officials in Contra Costa County say the opioid epidemic there is getting worse. As Cronfor's Philippe Djegal reports, the county is getting millions of dollars from lawsuits settled with manufacturers, and the county's reaching out now to the community for ideas about how to best use it.
Dr. Pam has spent years working in pharmacies and has seen the worst of the opioid epidemic.
More of our young people are dying every day, and we're trying to find a way to keep them from dying.
Dr. Pam among the community members who attended an opioid community listening session hosted by Contra Costa Health Services in Concord Thursday.
This is the second of 4 that we are planning to have.
The state has settled several national lawsuits against opioid manufacturers, distributors, and other groups held responsible for the crisis and expects more funds in the future. The county has already received about $5 million of that money and is holding the listening sessions for ideas on how to spend it and combat the crisis.
There are 3 main buckets: abatement, treatment, and prevention.
The latest statistics from the Contra Costa County Meds Coalition shows that countywide in 2022, there were 348 opioid-related emergency department visits and 183 opioid-related deaths.
Between 2019 and 2021, we've seen a 109% increase in overdose death among youth.
The Meds Coalition is expanding its program to distribute free Narcan, which can reverse an overdose, and fentanyl test strips. Community members also suggest focusing on underserved communities. African American, Latino, the unhoused population, and youth are disproportionately impacted by opioid misuse.
Contra Costa County has very little adolescent substance use treatment services. We do not have a residential treatment facility, for example, for youth.
Getting a high, which lasts just a few minutes, they can get the same high from achievements that they make.
The May 15th listening session is virtual. The last in-person gathering is the following day from 11:30 in the morning until 1:30 in the afternoon at 2200 MacDonald Avenue in Richmond. In Concord, Philippe Djegal, Cron 4 News.